Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a few super easy yet super impressive event hair looks for those summer weddings, bachelorette, and all those summer parties that we love to attend. All right, so let's start with some hair prep so that you can learn how I created these really beautiful waves. If you want to skip straight to the styling portion, go to this timestamp. For this style of wave on hair that is this long, I like to work with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. This one is by the brand T3. I'm going to curl each section towards the middle of the back of the head, which is another way of saying curl each section away from the face. I'm going to clamp the iron at the root of the hair so that we get even heat distribution, and I'm going to move it down the head until I get about 1 inch from the bottom. Then I'm going to unravel it and pull the iron straight down to straighten out the end. This will give you a much more modern and current shape than if you curl it all the way down to the ends. Now we just move along section by section, doing the exact same thing, making sure that when we get to the sides, we curl away from the face. When the curls have cooled down, brush them all the way through with a wide tooth comb. For hairstyle idea number 1, I'm going to scoop up the crown and place it in a little elastic. I gently pinch out the crown for volume. Then I'm going to take the side sections and place them in small elastics as well. Now turn those side pieces in on themselves. This is called a topsy tail, just for your reference. Then take those topsy tails and feed them through the middle section. Look at how adorable this is. If you are extra like me, you can also add an accessory here. I'm going to start hairstyle number 2 the same way as number 1 by putting that crown in an elastic and pinching out the volume. Then I scoop out the side sections and secure them in the middle as well. What you want to do now is topsy tail it, twist it once, twist it twice, and feed that crown area ponytail through it. Again, this is incredibly adorable and so easy. I actually do this in my natural hair as well, and if you're interested, you can watch that tutorial right here. I will leave a link to it in the pinned comment. What do you guys think? Would you attempt number 2? Now I always have a favorite, and hairstyle number 3 is it. Section out that crown and then clip it away. Create a small ponytail underneath it, use the side sections and secure that. Topsy tail the top pony, then feed the bottom pony through the topsy tail. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is this not seriously the most beautiful look ever? I love this so much. I think it's stunning, like bridal level beautiful. Now I'm going to show you a way to wear this in a low ponytail, because wigs can be worn in low ponytails or even updos and still look undetectable. I'm going to put my hair into 3 low ponytails, leaving out some framing at the front. If you want your wig to look completely natural, you do need a little bit of framing around the face. All you want to do is split those side ponytails in half and feed the middle pony through it. The front here clearly needs to be cut to frame out the face. So I just do that by establishing my chin as my guide and slide cutting down. I then wave it with the same technique as I did before, leaving those ends straight so it doesn't look outdated. And there you have it, a super soft crisscross event ponytail. In this final look, I want to show you how to transition this into an updo. All you have to do is split your ponytail in half and twist it and secure it at the base with an elastic. If you don't tie it off at the bottom, it's actually much harder to pin because it's going to want to unravel. Twist it up and around and pin it by sticking the bobby pins into the base without opening them. If you open them, you will collapse the shape of the bun. If you keep it closed, you will still secure it without distorting the bun's shape. Do the exact same thing to the other side and then add an accessory of your choice. I love this look. I think it is so elegant. It looks super complex, but it's actually quite easy.